In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the new Map Explorer app by Objective Ed. So in this video, I'm going to show how to create a customized map. So I have already gone to the platform.objectiveed.com and I have signed in. I am now on my page, Diane's dashboard page. I'm going to come over on the left-hand side and select Data Banks. On this screen, I'm going to scroll down past the data banks, past the advanced settings, and then I'm going to select add a skill. So this is where I'm going to create my own map, and I'm going to add that skill. When I select that, a pop-up comes up and says, please select the game you wish to add the skill to. I'm going to select the arrow to get my options, and I'm going to choose Map Explorer. There we go. And then once I choose Map Explorer, I'm going to say next. Now a Google map comes up and I will need to scroll down and enter a location for where I want to move my map to. But before I do that, at the top it says map description. And this is what's announced at the start of the game. This is where I can put in those directions for the game that I want the student to pay attention to. For today, I am just going to remind my student to, let's see, there we go, to be sure to remember the names and order of the streets. Now I can put in any direction here that I want. It will be announced aloud. It'll be said out loud when the game begins. So now I'm going to go right below the map, the visual Google map. I'm going to enter a location, and you do have to enter a specific address. You can't just do a general thing. So I'm going to do the address for the Pittsboro Elementary School. So it's 375 and then Pittsboro School Road, and that's North Carolina. And it should have popped up. Why did it not pop up? Let's see. All right, let me try that again. 375